na rin po nila ako. Guest po sila sa last 50th birthday na hinost ko po ni Ma'am Evangeline Pascual. And then, special shoutout once again, Mrs. Cristina Veray and my former debutant, Sofia Nicole Veray. Ako po ang nag-host ng debut ni Sofia before. Sofia, anong month yun? Basta June last year. Ayun. Alright, here go. Here's the second and last song request of Sean and Kim. By the way, Miss Mau po, on television, sa television, Abot Kamay na Pangarap po, September 21 to 22 episodes po yan. And then, Miss Mau, GMA Prime, Abot Kamay na Pangarap, starring Jillian Ward, Carmina Villarreal. Miss Mau, on GMA Prime, Anak, starring Jasmine Curtis Smith, Raver Cruz, Lizelle Lopez, Joanne Bascon, Martin Del Rosario with Miss Gina Alahar. Air June 6, 2024. Miss